Look at this beautiful image. Edit the colors using camera raw filter. Let's color the eyes with white color and make them glow with outer glow. We will need to make a hole inside this belly. Make it a little bit chaotic with my chaotic brush. Now we'll have to select the girl and separate her from the background. I will copy the background into the hole, because that's what we're supposed to see if the hole was real. Create a duplicate of the body, and let's change the color so we can create the inside part of her belly. Now I'm gonna use smudge tool to start creating these demonic dark lines coming from her body into the window. I'm gonna copy these dark lines, mask them, and put them behind her on the left side for more realism. Use a rectangle tool to create, obviously a rectangle. What did you think we're going to create with rectangle tool? A circle? Huh? Are you stupid? Change its colors to rainbow colors. Rotate this rainbow like a potato and let's extend it. Add some motion blur to make the rainbow blurry, and let's just change its blending mode to lighten. And boom, chica, boom, look at this beautiful dark demonic artwork. Mwah! My dear frienditas, make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss next lazy tutorials.